You won't believe how many people use Resume builders and still fail to get interviews. The surprising truth about Resume Genius is that it can help, but only if you understand its strengths and limits. Resume Genius is an online tool designed to help users create professional resumes quickly. Instead of starting from scratch, you choose a template, fill in guided questions, and the system generates a formatted resume. The biggest advantage is speed. You can create a full resume in under 15 minutes. It asks for your job history, skills, education, and achievements, then turns that into structured bullet points. This is perfect for beginners who don't know how to write resumes. Another strong feature is its content suggestions. For example, if you choose customer service, it suggests action-based phrases like handled customer inquiries or resolved complaints efficiently. This saves time and improves wording. The interface is simple and easy to navigate. You don't need technical skills, and everything works directly in your browser. You can also create cover letters using the same system. However, most people get this wrong by thinking it's completely free. You can build a resume for free, but downloading it usually requires a paid subscription. This surprises many users at the final step. Another downside is customization. While templates look professional, they are not highly flexible. Advanced users may feel limited compared to tools like Word or Google Docs. Also, because many people use the same templates, some resumes may look similar. This is not a deal breaker, but uniqueness matters in competitive job markets. In conclusion, Resume Genius is excellent for beginners and fast results. It's not perfect for advanced customization, but it's one of the easiest ways to build a clean, professional resume quickly. Subscribe for more honest tool reviews so you don't waste time or money on the wrong platforms.